So this is part 2 of building my forge. In the last video I got mostly done, but not completely. And I have a couple things left. So let's get started on that. And we're gonna call the little table outside this, so I have some area to put things in, especially long things. Don't you know, you want a little space outside it, outside the forge. And I'm gonna put one of these bricks closer to the forge, and I'm gonna make a little U-shaped piece of steel that is gonna go around this and hold the brick in place here. So let's start with making that. Put this like that. And we put one of these there, weld that there. And then on the other side and weld that too. And then of course this will go up here, you know. It will be pretty good table or whatever you should call it. I should bevel the edges here a little bit. Now we'll weld this up. That. That'll be perfect. We'll just weld that in there. With a little bit of play to the brick here. Well, now this is tacked on. That'll be perfect. Maybe a little loose. I think that's good. And it will look like this here. It will look like this. Here. Something like that.
Then we'll put a piece of flat bar along there to give it some support.
So, I got these pieces cut out to put here. I got one issue, one thing I didn't think about though. It would have been very smart. We'll see how I do it now. But if you put these here, if these would have been the same height now, oh, I could just put a bar here and this brick could like across there, and it would be, you know, hold in place. It wouldn't fall down. It would have been perfect, but either way, let's weld these in here. Another one. Oh, I got these welded up, and well, I should clean them up, grind them a little bit. So I got all these, or both the tables cleaned up, and the brick fits in there real nice. And now it's just to get, because it's gonna be this way, and then it's just to drop the brick like that. It's gonna be like that, but I need something on the bottom here to hold the brick in place. And these pieces are actually, you know, a little too low. I would just like to weld the piece on like this, but I don't know, or maybe I just fill that gap with weld or something. We're gonna cut some pieces here that fits over here. I got these pieces cut up, and I know it's a big gap, but I'm gonna try welding that either way. Two pieces of that, and the bricks will be in there real nice. One done. It's not nice, but it will work. You just need to hold the brick, and whatever is laying on it will make going to be that much weight. Both of these are done now. They fit real nice. The bricks, I mean. Now it's just to weld them on the foot. Like this. We want this bit would fit. So that's too high. Just need a little more. Hey, now we're talking. That's like perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. We just weld that on me. now it's just one thing left, I think, to do. And that is to build some forge doors. I'm gonna use two of these bricks, put them like this. And then I'm going to cut them down a bit to put an angle line up so they can slide. And then I'm going to make these pieces into stop here at the bottom too. So just cut these down to the right height. I got these bricks cut down now. So they should fit, I hope, like this. And this is gonna be like this. You can slide these in and out. Screw with a bit of slop so they don't jam the pieces. Like that. Now I just have to turn these pieces into the bottom stopping guide rail, maybe something. So I got these welded up here now, and I'm gonna drill 2 holes so I can bolt them down. Now these pieces are done. I can install them, I suppose. Hopefully that is not, that's fine. Or this thing is gonna go in the back because it's different. Put the cut pieces up so it sits better. It sits better on that. And the factory faces. I'm just gonna use a little spacer here. So I got this out of here, and this seems to work pretty good. I'm gonna put one of these here, and you can just push it in and push it out. I got this cut out a little here, so now it does not hit the rock. And then this is the brick is all the way up against the wall, so now you can use the spacer again here.
deeper it is, because I like the little mark there. I figured out how I'm gonna drill on not an angle, I think. Got a straight hole, I think. Straight enough. And now it's just to tap the hole. And I just have to try it before I continue. Oh, maybe. So, now that's done. That's a little move. So let's fix that. That is good enough. Now let's see just the rest of them. Well, I'm gonna put this in, then it's done, completely done. The forge is completely done. I'm gonna build a base to it, but that'll be in the next video. Tighten this thing. Screw this on. So it's done.
fire it up now and forge something, but I'm gonna do that in the next video. So if you want to see that, you have to stay tuned to that. But the forge is at least all done now. The next video will be building the base and forging something.